Cool, brilliant. Yeah, I had to walk to work because, for reasons undisclosed at the moment, should we say. I was walking along and I was just like in my own little world, and there's a lifty here called Victor, and I swear to God, he's the best lifty of all of last season, all of this season. He just lights up your whole little world. Like I'm there just in my own world, just like walking along and he's like just a big smile. Hey, how's it going, dude? Look at me happy. I'm like, he's just so good. We need to give him a big up. So if you see this and you work for Big White and you know what the big up biggie thing is, Victor, you should do. Today he's on the gondola. Although by the time you see this video it will be yesterday, so that doesn't really help. But keep a lookout for any lifty with no badges as Victor. Yeah, he's always singing, dancing, joking around, so it's very, very good. What else has happened? So I'm on private lineup, so I might get a private, so that's kind of cool. And I did the CASI training module for teaching kids. So then that's made me like ever so slightly higher up in the pecking order, which is good. I signed up for the carving course in January. I signed up for the Park 1 course in February, and yesterday I had a really good day with somebody, and then we had a really good dinner, and then we had a really good time. And this sounds slightly elusive, but we're going to leave it like this for now, and then this person may become part of the vlog, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Potentially, I don't know. But yeah, everything's looking up, Kieran. I bombed, I think like five people's photo yesterday. And 3 of them took it really well because I was in the instructor jacket, just like in the background, thumbs up. So that was cool. All right. Hello. Hey, how's it going, dude?
Like that very much.
Sweet. You going out skiing and snowboarding later?
Not with her, no.
No?
She'd be too busy trying to herd you.
Yeah.
Get in front. No. Yeah, it would be absolute chaos. She'd love it, I'm sure, but
Yeah.
it would cause quite a challenge.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, have a wonderful day, dude. I'll catch you later. See you later. Oh, that's a sweet dog. Okay, I have what? I got 55 minutes to get changed, which is far too much, but I prefer to be early, and I can just stay in my reds and just stand outside like 8:30, and then potentially people ask me questions, and I can help them out and see what's going on. Hey Dash. You clearly can't hear me through the window, but there you go. All is good. Anyway, I have to go into this room now. That was a super interesting day. So I had lessons in the morning, great, fine, fantastic. Then I had a level 2 in the afternoon, which was crazy because I had 5 people at 5 different stages in the progression, which is cool, that's great. We managed to move 3 of them to level 3, and then Lincoln turns, doing all the good stuff, using the hips, everyone's happy. And then we had a mother and a son. The son was getting better, turning his ball down the hill. The mother was freaking out a little bit, and that's fine. So we done a bit of like hand holding, like going down the hill. She got a bit better, which is cool. And I should be more excited, but I'm just absolutely, the last hour has socially knackered me. But basically, she's cancelled her AM and PM lessons for the following 2 days and has instead booked a private lesson at 10 AM tomorrow with me. And that is amazing. So that means our first private lesson, ding ding, ring the bell, do whatever. So we've finally done it, fantastic. She says she wants to have lunch as well afterwards, and then we might book another lesson between 1 and 3. But this is where the story gets a bit crazy, is during the lesson, when she was on the magic carpet, her pass decided to deactivate itself. Well, that's what we were told. What actually happened was her pass was put on like a beep perf thing, so that the resort staff were meant to tell us that her kid that was in the KC needed help. But that message wasn't relayed to us. So what actually happened was the kid's skis that they themselves didn't clip in properly, so they needed adjusting, and we're not allowed to adjust it. The KC's not allowed to adjust it, so they have to go to a repair shop. So what basically happened is I finished the lesson at 3. I then took this woman to book her private. Great, fine, sorted, done. She then said, can you sort my pass for tomorrow? We've gone to sort her pass for tomorrow. She's been paying $260 for a full mountain pass, and she's a beginner, so she only needs to pay $29, which is great value, by the way, if you're a beginner. So we saved her $460 over 2 days, so that's kind of cool. I'm not sure if that maths works. I don't know, I can't think right now. Is that right? 230, 460, $400 we saved her. Fantastic. So she's happy with that. That's fantastic. Then we had to go get her kid from the KC. Then we had to bring the kid to repair shop. Then we had to go to the repair shop to fix the skis, which luckily they did today, so they didn't have to come in early tomorrow. Cool, that was all done. And then I go to check out, and it's been this took an hour and a half, right? And I've then gone to the schedulers, go, hey, by the way, you know what, I did actually finish on time, this is the lessons, blah, 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 all done. But I explained about the private, and they were like, oh yeah, you're not booked onto it. I'm like, oh, cool. So then I had to go back to the ski and board school and be like, hey, you didn't put my name on it. And they're like, yes, we did. And then they took a picture of it, and then I went back to the schedulers, and they're like, well, we can't see it. Turns out somebody may have put the date in wrong and then booked it for the past instead of tomorrow. But it has been sorted out now. So it does mean that I now have a private lesson tomorrow between 10 and 12. And then she's all about buying me a cheeky lunch, that'd be cool. And then we will have another lesson between 1 and 3, hopefully, if she's not too tired. And yeah, she'll be a very, very good day. And the best thing about today is my shopping has arrived, because Angelica, the star that she is, with the whole clothes to get my shopping. This is for you, Angelica. But yeah, so hopefully I'm going to unload all that now, and we should be good.